Mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ngayon po ang aking daily devotion para sa January 3 and welcome back to our setup, no? So as you can see, you may have noticed na yung setup ko is nagbago in the past few days because I have just gone from a vacation to Tagaytay and I thank God, no? Kasi it was truly a refreshing experience. So on to our devotion. For today, we are going to focus on ikaw ba ay tunay na anak o ampon ng Diyos? Or adoption, no? Makikita po natin ito sa Galatians chapter 4 verses 4 to 6 na nagsasabing, "But when the set time had fully come, God sent His Son, born of a woman, born under the law, to redeem those under the law, that we might receive adoption to sonship. But you, because you are His sons, God sent the Spirit of His Son into our hearts, the Spirit who calls out, Abba, Father." Sa Tagalog, subalit nang dumating ang ganap na kapanahunan, isinugo ng Diyos ang kanyang anak, na ipinanganak ng isang babae, ipinanganak sa ilalim ng kautusan, upang tubusin ang mga nasa ilalim ng kautusan, upang matanggap natin ang pagkupkop bilang mga anak. At sapagkat kayo'y mga anak, isinugo ng Diyos ang Espiritu ng kanyang anak sa ating mga puso na sumisigaw, Aba, Ama. So, what can we deduce from this now? We can deduce that there is only one Son of God. And that's Jesus. Siya lang po yung natatanging Son of God. Yung Son talaga. And we are adopted children through Jesus Christ. So tayo daw po ay mga anak din ng Panginoon through adoption because of Jesus. And we receive the Spirit who cries, Abba, Father. The Spirit of Jesus Christ tells us that our Father is God and makes it so that we are adopted by Him so that we may receive His blessings, we may receive His promises. So stick to our blood relationship with God established by Jesus Christ and rely on our union with Christ. Dahil yung pagsasama-sama po natin, yung pagkaloob po sa atin ng Panginoon kay Hesukristo ang siyang nagpapaisa sa atin. So let's live a spirit-led life as evidence of adoption. Dahil nga po, pinagkaloob sa atin si Jesus, pakita po natin na karapat-dapat tayo. Hayaan po natin na si Jesus ang gumalaw sa ating buhay. Sa ganung pamamaraan, kalulugod ito ng Panginoon. Yan naman po ang aking daily devotion. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig. Pagpalain po tayong lahat and God bless.